We're here at a property in St. Paul. I know a lot of the videos that you guys see, it's for renovations and flipping houses. However, we also do day-to-day maintenance and city inspection repairs. So that's what we're here for. We got a very big list of inspection repairs here. Beth, can you just let them know a little bit about what we need to do?
We are here, we were looking at some exterior repairs that need to be done and a major repair in a basement. There is illegal height ceilings, the plumbing is all illegal, the whole basement essentially needs to be gutted and redone. The original owner of the property or whoever owned it last never pulled any permits, so we have to get everything up to code.